This is a 2008 Dodge Ram 3500. This truck has an automatic transmission, an inline 6-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, 17-inch wheels, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, door reinforcement beams, and this vehicle has less than 49,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Woltz & Wind Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2100 Washington Pike in Heidelberg.